Your Ford Escape plug-in hybrid SUV may be equipped with a convenient and helpful ChargePort weather kit. This kit includes a ChargePort cover and ChargePort door bag, a simple solution to block ice, snow, and sleet from building up on the vehicle's ChargePort assembly. Using your ChargePort weather kit is quick and easy. First, open your ChargePort door. Second, slide your ChargePort cover into place and be sure that the cover is sitting flush against the ChargePort opening. Next, slide your ChargePort door bag onto your port door, securing it with the straps. You are now ready to connect your vehicle to the charger and begin charging. When charging is completed and you are ready to use your vehicle, simply disconnect the charger, undo the straps and slide the bag off the ChargePort door. Slide the ChargePort cover off the ChargePort and close your ChargePort door. Both the bag and the cover must be removed for the ChargePort door to close properly. The ChargePort door bag and the ChargePort cover can be stored in your vehicle's cargo area or in a place that is convenient for the next usage. Never leave your ChargePort weather kit on the vehicle when driving, as the pieces may loosen and come off. Thank you for watching, and safe travels.